Hey everyone, my name is Anthony Cofrancesco from BrainyFlights.com, and today I'm going to be talking about the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. This is a very interesting card, especially for beginners in the travel hacking space. Now, before I jump into the content of this video, I want to say, if you're applying for this or any of the cards we talk about on this channel, please click the links in our description below. This really helps us a lot. We get a small kickback, which allows us to continually make high quality video content into the future. With that being said, let's jump straight into the basics. With this card, the sign up bonus is pretty small. It's only $150, but that is going to be a cash back bonus. $150 cash. You can use it towards anything you'd like. Now, in terms of how you actually earn these points, you're going to be earning a flat 1.5% back on everything. So it doesn't matter if you're going to a grocery store, it doesn't matter if you're spending money on flights, you're going to be earning a flat 1.5% cash back on everything. And that is, like the card suggests, it's unlimited. Now, the other thing I want to talk about in regards to the basics is $0 annual fee, which means you can go and apply for this card, you can keep it, and there's no reason ever to cancel this card. So it's an easy way to get that $150 sign-up bonus, an easy way to make 1.5% cash back, and then no annual fee. Now, if we're talking about who is this card actually good for, this is one that I can confidently say that this card is good for everyone, right? This is a great card, you can get it, you can put it in your wallet. I'd say it's more ideally geared towards people who are beginners, people who maybe have a limited credit history and can only get approved for these lower tier cards. But if you're a veteran spender, you're not maybe worried about the Chase 524 rule, this can be a really great option for you. On top of that, where this card is really going to shine as well is if you already have the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Chase Sapphire Reserve. And the reason why is this. If you just have the basic card, right, you're just going to earn a standard cashback bonus. But what's really interesting is if you have the Preferred or the Reserve, then you can actually, rather than taking the cash back, you can actually earn those as Chase Ultimate Rewards points, and then you can seamlessly transfer those. It's going to automatically show up in your Chase Ultimate Rewards balance, which means now instead of just getting 1.5% cash back, you're actually earning 1.5 points per dollar spent on every single transaction. So for everyday spending, if it's not something that you're earning a higher earning category for with either the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Chase Sapphire Reserve, you actually will earn a little bit higher, slightly higher, rather than just making 1 point per dollar spent, you'll be making 1.5 points per dollar spent. So quick recap, $150, $0 annual fee, great for beginners and even better if you have the CSP or the CSR. If you found that video helpful, I thank you so much for watching. If you're going to apply for this or for any of the cards we talk about, please click the links down in the description below. If you want some really cool merchandise, some really cool travel merchandise, go to BrainyFlights.com. We've got a bunch of cool stuff there. And then if you really want to learn a lot about travel hacking, about points and miles, we have an entire 4-hour-long course that covers absolutely everything there is to know about travel hacking. It's on udemy.com. It only costs $30. And it is really top-notch content. Thanks so much. We'll see you in the next video.